Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on H&M. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in hm.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official H&M website. Now just choose your region and you will be taken into that region's page. Now if you already have an account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Just type in your email address that you used while signing up for your account and then enter the password that you have set within the password box. Now click on the sign in button and now you will be logged in to your account on H&M right away. And you can now immediately start shopping. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on H&M. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.